好的，你们都很棒。You guys are all amazing. 那下一个单词就是里面。That's L-I in the third tone, M-I-A-N in the fourth tone. Now, literally, that means inside surface, but you put it together, 里面, and it means inside. So, for example, inside a place, inside a house, inside a restaurant, inside a building, so on and so forth. Let's practice 里面.
Let us practice.
里面 means inside. Let's practice that. 里面. What does this sentence mean? 我们在里面休息吧。
我们在里面休息吧。
It means let's rest inside. Let's practice that with reverse sentence construction. 吧，休息吧。里面休息吧。在里面休息吧。我们在里面休息吧。Repeat that twice more. 我们在里面休息吧。
我们在里面休息吧。
And do you remember what that means? That's correct. It means let's rest inside. 我们在里面休息吧。Very, very good. So if 里面 is inside, what could 外面 mean? W-A-I, fourth tone, M-I-A-N, fourth tone. 外面.
Banana.
Banana? You listen, maybe in another parallel universe. But in this universe, in Chinese, it means outside. As in outside a particular place. Outside of a restaurant, outside of a store, so on and so forth.
I blew it.
You get the point. 里面, inside. 外面, outside. Let's practice 外面 together. Let's practice the word for outside. 外面.
外面。
How would you say, let's rest outside? The grammar for that would be we, located at, outside, rest, followed by the particle ba. "我们在外面休息吧."
我们在外面休息吧。
Excellent.